Is the Flex Quick Eject the best impact driver out there?
You're gonna have 3 speed select. This is gonna be for your self-tapping modes, your smaller self-tappers and your larger. Let's see what speed 1 looks like. The name Quick Eject really comes from its collet, which will have a button to release instead of having to grab it. We're gonna run it in speed 1 with a fully charged 2.5. Small construction screw. Speed 1 might not be as delicate as some others if you prefer that, but there is still plenty of control here. All right, we're gonna bump it up to speed 2. All right, let's go ahead and bump it up to speed 3. 2.5-inch deck screws. All right, we're gonna go with some 6-inch deck screws here. All right, now we got a 10-inch GRK. Now how about we try a 12-inch specs? Moving on to something even bigger. We're gonna go ahead and put the 5 amp hour on there. The 3/8 by 6-inch lag. Now we've got a 3/8 by 8-inch structural screw. As far as fasteners go, that's probably well over where you would expect an impact driver to go. But let's do something an impact driver usually doesn't do anyway. And let's go drill some stuff. A 1/4-inch flex drill bit. Half-inch spider spade bit. One-inch spider spade bit. Let's see if we can do the 1 1/4 Irwin speed bore. So overall, do I think? Okay, so I'm re-editing this video saying like this whole portion of me talking is boring. So here's the pros and cons of this thing. Pros are, it looks awesome. It sounds awesome. It's super powerful. Flex just updated it again to where if you register your tools before the end of 2024, you have a full lifetime warranty. The battery indicator light is awesome. The ergonomics for some people might not be good, but I love the ergonomics on the Flex. It's heavy. Catch yourself a pump while you're working, obviously. The cons, it gets hot and it's new. People don't know much about it and it has a slight trigger delay. Do I think it's the best impact driver ever? Nah, probably not. But it is my favorite right now. I don't really know who I think is the best impact driver. There probably isn't one. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Maybe consider subscribing. It helped me out. Y'all have a good one.